Hi everyone, this is Steve Johnson and welcome to another 3-Minute Thriller where we give you professional development in 3 minutes or less. In today's 3-Minute Thriller, we're going to talk about 5 helpful uses for Google Keep. Those 5 things are turning images into text within Google Keep, sketching, reminders, creating documents, and voice memos, all within Google Keep, which is one of my favorite apps in Google. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn images into text. So what I have is I have my Google Drive right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the app chooser and go to Google Keep. New tab opens up and I'm in Google Keep. Now I have an image on my desktop called Library. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. I'm going to drag it over here. I'm going to put it up here where you can type in notes. And I'm going to drop it. And you can see that now the image that I have of text that I had on my computer is downloading. It is now a note within Google Keep. I'm just going to name this practice. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to make this image. I want to turn it into text. So what I do is I go right here to the 3 vertical dots and go to grab image text. When I do that, now I can grab this text from that image and I can do whatever I want with it, which is pretty cool. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is sketching. So if I want to make a sketch in this note, I click on it and then I go to the 3 dots and I go to add drawing. And what I can do now is I can make a little, let's see, eyes and a mouth, make a little smiley face. Click back and now there's a drawing that's attached to my image of text, and there's also text within that note as well, which is pretty helpful. I can also set up a reminder. If I click this little icon right here, I hover over it, it says remind me. I can make a reminder for later today, tomorrow, next week. I can even make a pick date or time option right here, and I can even put a place for the note as well, which is really, really helpful. So that's the third thing, setting up reminders, which I like. I also really like this next feature. And this next feature is creating full documents. So you have to be clicked on the note within the Google Keep. You click on the 3 vertical dots, and then you click on Copy to Google Doc. Now this might take just a little bit of time, but you can see it's copying to a Google Doc right now. And now it's just copied, so I can click on Open Doc, and you can see that now that note is within a Google Doc where I can edit it, change it, do whatever I want to it. That's pretty powerful as well. You can see how students could use this for a variety of classwork assignments or homework assignments. Very, very helpful. Last thing is leaving yourself voice memos within Google Keep. Now I don't have that option here, but I do within the Google Keep app that I have on my iPhone. So if you download Google Keep and you open it up, you'll see at the bottom where you can take a note, there's this little mic icon. You click on that and you can leave yourself a note, an audio note, which is really, really helpful. So if you have any questions about Google Keep, let me know. I hope you enjoy using it.